This first video is simply a welcome to History 2001, Introduction to Historical Research. The course is intended to help students interested in studying history learn about such things as the social science department, the requirements of its various programs, the faculty that are in it, and the career options that students might follow from those programs. It will talk about the best ways to study and take notes, and it will talk about how the discipline of history developed over time and how it differs from other academic fields in the humanities. The videos will also, most importantly perhaps, talk about how to conduct independent historical research and how to write a history essay or paper, which is absolutely critical. Also, it will talk about how to cite sources in history papers. In terms of the course requirements, you should already have a copy of the course syllabus. If you don't, however, please contact the professor immediately. As explained in the syllabus, this course employs a series of videos and corresponding worksheets located on the professor's website at www.flippenclasses.org. If you're watching this video, then congratulations because you've already found it. Students should watch the videos in order. When they come to the worksheet that corresponds to those videos, they should print out the worksheet in hard copy and answer the questions. Students are free to go back to the videos and check for the answers if they don't recall them. When the worksheet is completed, the student should then turn the completed worksheet into the professor by the assigned date. Students can leave the completed worksheet in the box outside the professor's door or hand it to him directly, but the worksheets must be completed in order and before or on the assigned deadline date, which are noted in the syllabus. Students are free to convert the worksheets to PDF format if they would like, answer the questions in their own handwriting, scan them, and then submit the completed worksheets to the professor as an email attachment, but they should not submit their completed worksheets simply in Word format. Each worksheet ends with the student signing an honor pledge stating that they have done the work on their own. Now, in any event, this process is going to continue until all the video has been watched and the corresponding worksheets completed and submitted on time. As noted in the syllabus, at the end of the course, there's an exam covering all the videos and the corresponding worksheets. There are only two required meetings. The first is an instruction by the library staff on how to use the library's database and services. The date and location of this meeting is noted in the syllabus, and the professor will also email the student this information. The other one is the final exam already mentioned and also included in the syllabus. The students will come to the professor's office in the classroom building, CB 140, on the day and time noted in the syllabus. Since these dates are set early in the term, please try to make arrangements to be there. If, however, a student cannot be at these meetings, they should email the professor as soon as possible. So, in conclusion, students should be aware of the deadlines noted in the syllabus for each individual worksheet to be submitted, the date of the instruction by library staff, and the final exam date, all noted in the course syllabus. This is a one-credit course intended to help new students, and it won't take the entire course. For this reason, please note that the final exam date is well before the end of the 16-week normal term. Now, the final exam is 90% of the course grade. The remaining 10% is simply the timely completion and apparent effort given to the various worksheets. There are no tricks to this course. The final exam relates exactly to the same questions, the same material raised in the worksheet. It actually repeats the questions, but students won't have access to the videos during the exam. Watch the videos, answer the worksheet questions, and then study the worksheets, and students should have no problems at all with this course. If, however, any problems develop, students are, of course, free to ask the professor for assistance, either in email or directly in person. The professor's office hours are noted in the syllabus. The professor's email address is bflippen@se.edu. What students should do now is email the professor and let him know that you have watched this first introductory video and read the syllabus. In this email, acknowledge that you understand the requirements of the course and you're ready to begin. And let him know your preferred email address and phone number. It's kind of an early test to see if the student can follow directions, so be sure to send this email. Once the professor receives this acknowledgement email, he will assume that the student has begun the course and will meet all the deadlines. The professor will not contact the student again unless some problem on his end necessitates an announcement or the student contacts him with a question or problem. Good luck with the course. This concludes the first video.